Hello dear friends, I am Prince and today I am going to tell the summary of first lesson in our book, and the lesson's name is A Letter to God. In this story, the Lancho who writes a letter to God. This whole story is about the Lancho. In the valley, in this valley there was only one house, and it was Lancho's house, which was situated on a crest of low hill. And when we stand on this crest of the low hill, then we can see the rivers and the farms very well. One morning when Lancho came out of the home, and he see that his crop is almost ripe, but it just want a shower of water. Then he pretends to her wife that today we are going to get some water. On it, her wife, who was preparing the supper, she replied this, yes, God will. At that time she was preparing the supper. Then she called to her children, and Lancho, at the time his older children were doing work in farms and his smaller children were playing aside of home. Then they saw that big drops of rain begins to fall, and with this the soft and sweet airs also begins to blow. On it, everyone become happy, and then the farmer and his children went out of the room, out of their house, not for any special reason, but for feeling the pleasure of the feeling that when the raindrops touch their body, because we all know that the rain makes a very important role in their life. Every drop of the rain were looking like a new coin, because the big drops were looking like the coin of 10 pesos, and a small one was looking like 5 pesos, because this rain was going to give them some money. And after that, this sweet and nice rain changed into a hailstone, and the sweet wind also changed into the strong wind. And at first they assumed that it will be for some time and it will be go quickly, but it don't happen. It rained in the whole valley still 1 hour, and everything was destroyed. Even the farms were looking like covered with salt. And then that night was full of sorrows for the farmer and his family. Then the farmer Lancho, he says that when a plague of lotus came, then it left more than this, but this hailstorm has destroyed everything. They all were sad, but a feeling of a hope was in every heart, and that was help from God. We all know that Lancho works hard in their farms, he works like an ox, but he also know that how to write. So he think about write a letter to God, and he writes on next morning he writes that, God, my whole crop is destroyed, and if you will not help me, then I and my family will be go hungry in this whole year, because we don't have anything to eat, and the hailstorm has destroyed everything. Then he tell the whole story in that letter, and in the last he writes on the envelope to God, and he put the letter into it, and then he put the envelope into the mailbox. He went to the post office, and when this letter was, when an employee get this letter, then the employee says to starting laughing, and he went to his boss, the postmaster, and he started to laughing. His postmaster was a friendly fellow, and he was a very nice person, and he was also very sensitive. At first he also start laughing, but then he becomes some serious, because he realized that the Lancho has too much faith in God and his kindness, and he don't want to shake the Lancho's faith in God. So he think about a plan that he collected money from his friends and office employees, and he also gave some part of his salary, and then he put this all into an envelope and signed God on it. When next morning the Lancho came, postmaster was very happy and satisfied to do this good deed. And when the Lancho get this letter, he was not surprised to get some money in it, but when he counted money, he realized that God has sent only 70 pesos, and he asked 100 pesos to God. So he became very angry, and then he asks the ink and paper, and he writes again a letter to God, in which he writes that you have sent me 100 pesos, but I only get 70 pesos, so you again send me 30 pesos, because I need it very much. But this time you will not send it from the mail, because the office employees are a bunch of crooks. So this was the whole story, in which the Lancho thinks that postmaster and the office employees were bad, and we know that it was wrong. So this was our whole story. Thank you.